Girls Vids channel, and today I'm going to be making a big batch of slime. I have this container and I'm hoping I'll fill all of this up, hopefully. So, I've actually got this and I've heard that it works from other YouTubers. I've got my favourite spoon and my bowl, and today we're going to be making it green slime with some foam balls. Sorry about the dogs in the background, and glitter. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna lower the camera down there so you can see the slime. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add in my glue. Now I want it to be a decent amount of glue because we need to fill up all of that container. Okay, that should be enough. So heavy. Okay, I'm going to put that down to the side now. Now, I'm going to add in my food colouring. So in you go. Whoa, food colouring. There we go. That's enough. Put that to the side. So now I have my food colouring in my bowl. I'm going to mix it up. Whoa. This is such a pretty green. I might actually add some more glue. So I think I added too much food dye, so it's becoming like a really ugly green, which I don't like that. Don't like ugly greens. So this is what it's looked like. This is what it's looking at the moment. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more glue. There we go. That should do it. There we go. Right, on the floor it goes. Okay, now I'm going to mix in the glue I added. Hopefully it becomes a lighter green. Okay, I didn't turn as I wanted it to turn, but we can go with this colour. Nothing wrong with this colour. Okay, so now I'm going to get my activator. And today I'm going to be using borax and Elmer's Electrical Liquid. Just to see how it goes, you know, still experimenting which one's the best one to use. Okay, there we go. Just going to mix in my borax. Okay, now I'm going to add my Elmer's Electrical Liquid and see if it works. I'm going to add in a bit, and I think it works. Yes, it does. Just going to mix this all together. Actually, I'm not sure. Let's add in a bit more. Let's add in the rest of it. See what happens now. Okay, it's definitely working. Try and mix it in. It's a nice ooey green colour, so I'm going to roll up the sleeves just so I'm ready to go in when I think it's the right time. Actually, I don't think it's working. Add in the rest. Because it starts to work and then it just melts, but let's see. Okay, it's definitely not working after I've put in probably about a quarter. So let's try with the eye wash and see if the eye wash works. If not, we've always got the Tide. I just spilt it everywhere. good. Okay, I've added in a bit of eye wash. Now I'm going to mix it. See if it works. I don't know if it's working. Well, I do know actually because it's not working. But maybe it's just a borax. Maybe we need to add some more borax. We're always experimenting, you know. Okay. Looks like it doesn't work. Hold on, that could be a lie. Maybe it is the borax. No, it works. Oh, wow. See what that does. Okay. As I'm feeling it, seems to not be that much. Okay. I'm going to add in my Tide instead. Let me just empty it. I mean, not empty it, open it. And see if the Tide works. Okay. Ah, the Tide works. See? That's why you should always have 3 activators on you at once. The thing is with Tide, it's so easy to over-activate your slime. So I always go in with my hand with Tide. At least one, at least. Oh, it's very cold. Very cold, yes. Mum, can you grab my spoon, please? Spatula even. Thank you. Ah, no. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to add in a little bit more Tide, because it still is a bit sticky. But it is coming together. It's like kneading some dough. Kneading some dough. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more in, and then I'm going to go in with my hands. Look at that. Thank you. Oh, it's freezing. Okay. So it looks like it definitely makes slime. I'm going to mix it in because there's still a lot of glue left in the bowl. So, hurts your hands a lot. It's made a good slime. But I still think the Elmer's glue is definitely better for making slime. Although this is good, but definitely would go with the Elmer's. When it comes to slime, Elmer's is the way to go. Okay, I'm getting it out on the table. There we go. Let's put my bowl down. Okay, so this is the end result. It's definitely slime. Oh, and this is not actually the end result because we still need to add in our foam beads. This is the slime. It stretches. It probably needs a little bit more mixing. But it's a nice green colour. Hopefully well. Definitely crunches. I'm not sure if it makes bubbles though. From the texture, I don't think it will. But we can try and make one. Oh, yep, definitely makes bubbles. And definitely cracks very well. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good slime. But I still recommend the Elmer's. But still, this is good. So this is the glue. That's the brand. Hold on. That's the brand. And yeah, I think it's makes a good slime. Maybe I think this would probably be best for fluffy slime. But it doesn't work with baking soda and saline solution. Works with Tide though. So I definitely recommend getting Tide from Amazon. If you live in England, because I know it's in America. I think it's basically, I don't know about the rest of countries, but it's definitely in America. So if you're an American viewer, comment down below, American. And yeah, definitely be able to make slime. Ooh. It's like coming out like a clear almost. Whoa. So now I've made my slime. I'm going to add in my decorations. Yes, decorations. So let me just roll it all up. Okay, so I'm going to open my foam buzz. I'm going to add in, oh god. Okay, very cold, that's the thing with this. Okay, I'm going to add in some foam balls. There we go. Foam balls have been added in. Okay. So, this is what it looks like at the moment. We've got the foam balls over the top of the green slime. So yeah, now I'm going to mix it in. Okay, so now I've done this little slime review. So I'm always going to be silent because I want to show you how it clicks and does all that stuff. So now I've added in my foam balls. I'm going to add in my glitter. There you go. In goes the glitter. There we go. So this is what it looks like now with the glitter all over the top. So guys, I think this slime was a success. It's a really nice green colour. makes good bubbles, pokes really nicely, and cracks really nicely as well. I definitely think it was a success, if I do say so myself. It's very cold though. So this was the end result. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It is free. All you have to do is create an account and you can just go and hit that like button which is about there. So guys, I thank you ever so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.